Here it is, the Cybergenics total bodybuilding system. As a teenage boy, I used to see the adverts for this in every martial arts magazine I ever bought. It used to virtually guarantee that you'd pack on pounds of real muscle and burn that body fat. On television, there were adverts showing you the kind of results you could get.
Now when you hear some heavy metal.
Cybergenics, the complete program of training, diet, and supplementation. The most sophisticated bodybuilding system ever developed. With guaranteed results like this in just 60 days.
For me, it seemed almost magical. You could buy this box and it would come with everything you needed to transform your body and to become a superb athlete. Inside it, you'd have a series of different supplements aimed at making your body work perfectly, that they claimed could replace the need for anabolic steroids.
Dr. Stephen Crawford of All American Sports Medicine has studied the Cybergenics system and is impressed with the unique Cybergenics isolates.
They've probably more than anything have given the athletes an alternative to the use of anabolic steroids. And I've seen tremendous growth of muscle girth and strength with people training and using the nutritional supplements.
It had a video, a diet, and a full routine that would pack on the pounds. But let's see what you actually get in the box. If I open the pack, I can see that it comes with a DVD, which is evidently the bodybuilding routine and perhaps tells us a bit about diet. There's a load of pills here, and interesting enough, they're not labelled by what's in them. They're just called isolate 1, 2, 3. Wow, I like that. Here we are, 4. Okay, well that's interesting. We have isolate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 12. But I don't know what each one has in there. But there's a lot of pills here. Now, looking at all this, it makes me think about the character Bane from Batman, who he takes venom and becomes instantly muscular. And indeed, the adverts of the time really did suggest that if anybody bought this system, then we'd be able to use training routine and these amazing, groundbreaking supplements and get a bodybuilder's body. But I want to believe in Cybergenics. I look at some of the models they use, and to me they look like professional bodybuilders who are taking far more than these supplements here. But what changes could this system really make? And that's what I'm going to find out in the next 60 days. In the next 60 days, I'm going to apply myself to the Cybergenics bodybuilding system. There's a workout every day. I'm going to take every single one of these isolates. In my subsequent videos, you're going to see my progress. And you're going to see the truth about exactly what's in these pills when I'm going to consult a food scientist and nutritional expert, and about this routine when I talk to experienced bodybuilders and try this out for myself. But most of all, I'm going to give you a real before and after, so that we can know once and for all if this would have been the best start to my bodybuilding career, and whether you should be interested in getting the Cybergenics system.